We'll explore the diverse range of materials used in 3D printing and the unique properties they possess. Whether you're a seasoned maker, a budding entrepreneur, or simply someone fascinated by the future of manufacturing, this guide will arm you with the knowledge to choose the perfect material for your next project. Let's start with the good old reliable plastic. 3D printing has revolutionized the way we work with this versatile material. From the commonly used polylactic acid PLA to the tough and durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene (ABS, each plastic filament offers its own set of advantages. PLA, for instance, is known for its eco-friendliness and easy printing, while ABS is favored for its strength and heat resistance. But the world of 3D printing materials doesn't stop there. For those seeking even greater strength and durability, the world of metal 3D printing is here to amaze you. Stainless steel, titanium, and even precious metals like gold and silver can now be transformed into intricate, one-of-a-kind designs. These materials are particularly popular in the jewelry, aerospace, and medical industries, where precision and strength are paramount. And let's not forget about the world of flexible and functional materials. Rubber-like filaments, such as thermoplastic polyurethane (TPU), offer incredible flexibility and resilience, making them perfect for creating everything from custom phone cases to wearable electronics. On the other hand, engineering plastics like nylon and polycarbonate are prized for their durability and heat resistance, allowing you to push the boundaries of what's possible with 3D printing. The list of materials doesn't end there. Ceramics, wood composites, and even conductive filaments are expanding the horizons of what can be created with a 3D printer. Each material brings its own unique properties, from the sleek, smooth finish of ceramics to the natural, organic look of wood-based filaments. As you can see, the world of 3D printing materials is as diverse as the projects you can create. Whether you're looking to prototype a new product, craft a one-of-a-kind piece of art, or revolutionize an industry, the right material can make all the difference. Ready to dive into the exciting world of 3D printing materials? Join us on our journey as we explore more advanced techniques, innovative applications, and the latest advancements in this rapidly evolving field. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more 3D printing tutorials, product reviews, and inspiring projects. Let's create something amazing together.